Hi, I'm Meera from Terra and welcome to Cooking with Terra again. Today we are on day 14 of our 21-day juice class, and today's ingredient is something that you would not normally associate with a juice, I think. Red bell pepper. When we think of immunity boosting and good amounts of vitamin C, normally we always think about citrus fruits like oranges, we think of lemons, amla, so many things. But red bell pepper has actually twice the daily required amount of vitamin C. It is just packed with vitamin C. It also has about 75% of the daily recommended value for vitamin A. So this one single bell pepper can bring in so much good to the body. Normally in our food, this occurs as one among the three colors. You may do a tricolor pulao and you may do a triple bell pepper pasta, but those are just peripheral uses of the bell pepper. When you make a juice like this, you take so much more of the bell pepper in just one serving. And being so rich in vitamin C and A, when you take such high quantities of such vitamins as food, the good thing is that your body will take what it requires and actually expel the rest. There's no question of overdosing just because it has twice the amount of vitamin C. Whereas you could overdose if it were an isolated supplement sometimes. Like vitamin A, you can overdose on a vitamin A supplement, but not on vitamin A through food. So in a way, let's take it that let food be thy medicine. So this power packed vegetable is going to help you in immunity boosting, because of the vitamin C, of course. It is a super antioxidant because vitamin C itself is a super antioxidant, and it also has a very good amount of folate, which is very vital nutrient for expecting mothers. So in order to make this red bell pepper juice, I'm going to pair it with another vitamin C powerhouse, pineapple, because both the flavor and the juiciness of the pineapple will make a very, very tasty red bell pepper juice. And I'm going to add a bit of celery to play upon the savory angle of this juice. We'll add a little bit of black salt. And I'm also going to be using a little bit of red chili powder, both to give the heat to the juice, because it adds a little bit of flavor depth to the juice, and also for the goodness of the capsaicin in red chili powder. Red chili powder is not just a spicing up agent. The capsaicin in that is used in many ways in alternative therapies, and the capsaicin fundamentally actually triggers a pain relief response in the body. So it is the reason why capsicum even gets its name. But capsaicin is not present only in the red capsicum because it's a sweet bell pepper, whereas the fiery bell peppers and the hotter chili peppers, all of them contain capsaicin. So in today's juice, the red chili powder will add the capsaicin content also. Therefore, today we'll be making a red bell pepper pineapple chili juice. Let us now look at the ingredients that you have lined up for the red capsicum pineapple chili juice. I have taken one full red bell pepper, chopped into big pieces. Taken a generous 1.5 cups at least of cubed pineapple. I'm taking about a tablespoon of celery, a pinch of black salt, a small pinch of red chili powder. Now we'll put it all into the blender, and I'll be adding a generous 1.5 cups of water. And once you blend it really well, strain it. And look at this wonderful orange color that results from the red capsicum and the yellow pineapple. So here we go. This is your red bell pepper pineapple chili juice. And this is such a glass full of vitamin C. I think this is the best immunity booster that I can think of. And today with this, we have done 14 out of our 21 juices. 14 done, 7 more to go.